Good morning, dear students. Paper number CC 510 is entitled as History of English Language. In this paper, we study 4 units. The first unit includes 3 topics. They are origin of English language, major landmarks in English language, general characteristics of English language. The second unit comprises of 3 important influences, and the title is Major Influences on English Vocabulary: Latin influence, Greek influence, French influence. The third unit comprises several short notes, and they are homophones and homonyms, word formation, standard English, idiomatic phrases, development of dictionaries, the influence of archaism, and the influence of dialects. These 7 short notes are there. The last unit is about linguistic notes. Every English word has some history, has some aspects related to that particular word. We have to prepare some linguistic notes on the words prescribed in the syllabus, and the words are okay, sandwich, boycott, television, harakiri, blitz, juggernaut, restaurant, shampoo, bliss, monk, loot, curfew, swastik, camouflage, boomerang, broadcast, kindergarten, husband, and khaki. These are the words from different influences. English is a heterogeneous language. It has received words and other elements from different languages of the world. So, these are the words where we find influences of other countries or other languages. Among these, we have several important words like juggernaut, swastik, then shampoo. These are the words taken from our Indian influence. So let us start with the first one, and that is juggernaut. Juggernaut is a term derived from the Indian influence. The Britishers ruled over India for 200 years at least, and many military, social, religious words entered the vocabulary. They came in contact with religious, social groups, and they coined some of the words from India. We know that Rath Yatra is one of the major festivals in India, and the word is related to Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath. Seeing the grandeur of Lord Jagannath's festival, the Britishers mispronounced Jagannath as Juggernaut, and the word became Juggernaut. It expresses the scene of grandeur. In its meaning, this word came into English in 19th century. Juggernaut is one of the important influences that we find as the influence of India. So, Sanskrit term Jagannath, and Juggernaut is a mispronunciation of Jagannath. So, while seeing the grandeur of Jagannath's chariots and the people joining that procession might have entered the English vocabulary. So, Jagannath is one of the words taken from English, from Indian Sanskrit language. So, you see that among several influences upon the English vocabulary, Sanskrit is one of the major influences on the English vocabulary, and this is how we come to know that such words have their own history. Now they are used as different meaning, and that meaning we have to consider. Thank you very much.